I'm Shannon Prince, and I'm a science academic coach for the IRC. And we're here at the Chandler Innovation Fair. This is our big culminating event in the district to celebrate all things STEAM. So this event is held in cooperation with the City of Chandler, and we have over 150 booths. The booths are represented from companies on Chandler, from nonprofits, from all of our Chandler Unified Schools, all over. And we're here to have interactive science activities for all ages.
It's been a really good day. My school is here. They have their own booth down over there, and we are showcasing our robotics and our bridge building. And I've also been exploring around, looking at other schools. I've seen balloon cars, aerodynamics, making your own flashlight. It's really fun.
So why is today so important? This is our students' chance to showcase all of the hard work they've been doing this year in their classrooms. They've been working on projects, they've been working on fine arts productions.
The Arizona Database and Arizona Memory Project. We also have this book, I Never Saw Another Butterfly, and that's where a lot of our images and poems come from. Those are three of our best primary sources.
And today is their chance to come out, showcase it, perform, and talk to the public about all the awesome things they know about STEM.
So we're at Chandler Innovation Fair right now, and me and my club, we're called Astralis, and we're at Hamilton High School. We are running our very own science booth here, and our main goal is to just do some science and research outreach for the kids that are here today. Our science booth specifically aims to teach about electricity and DNA today.
We also have in the library, the upper floor, an award ceremony going on. And this award ceremony is for all the students who participated in our HISEF Science Fair and our Innovation Science Fair. So this is what's really amazing. It's one place where all different kinds of disciplines come together and get to showcase what they have, in addition to all of the community and business groups that are here as well supporting our students.